absolutely nothing. And here's a scientific, the fastest animal on Earth, easily outpacing a cheetah. It might be the fastest cat in the world, but the poor cheetah can only manage a paltry 25 body lengths per second. Like an expensive sports car, the cheetah is only flashy for short sprints. After a 300-yard dash, it breaks down and has to spend half an hour panting to cool off. Any more exertion would cause its brain to overheat, an experience you may be having right now. And get this, when you calculate speed in terms of a cheetah would have to run at 407. Penguins, on the other hand, might be slightly quicker, but if you study penguin locomotion long enough,